Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to host a private live stream on Bigo Live. It's very easy, so let's get started. Alright, so the first step you have to take is, of course, open your Bigo Live app and log into your account. Next, you have to click on the Go Live icon at the bottom area of your screen. Right, so once you click on that, if you look at the bottom area, you find different live options. We have the game live, we have audio live, we have live, and we have multi-guest live. Right, so whichever one you want to select it, and then once that is selected, if you look right here at the top area, just below the add a title to chat, you find this public option right there. Click on that to see more options. We have public, we have key room, and we have private. So if you want to host a private live stream, you have to select private and click on save, and then just go ahead and click on go live, and then you will be able to host a private live stream. So only those who you invite to join your live stream will be able to join your live stream. So that's it guys. Hope this guide was helpful and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.